Let's get to it. What's in the box? As you can see, the Bose VB1 is an all-in-one video conferencing device. As you can see, beautifully designed, sleek, which has a 4K Ultra HD camera, 6 beam steering microphones, which pick up to 6 meters, making this the ideal solution for your focus room, your smaller or medium-sized meeting room. Also, Bose, known for their audio, there are 2 high-quality audio drivers included, which have a very good sound reference. Back to the unboxing bit, we have the power supply, which you will need. You have your HDMI cable for the pass-through scenario, but also you have your USB-C connection cable. Bonus in the box is this USB-C to USB-A dongle, which you can use for devices that don't have USB-C ports available. We also have the manual included, some very great schematics that you can use or look into if you don't know how to install the video bar just yet. Next, there is also this remote control included. There's also an Android app and a desktop app that's available for you to manage the controls of the camera, but a remote control comes in handy sometimes. Wall bracket for installation onto the wall. As you can see, a lot of different pieces. Let's put them together, plug in the AC adapter and fire this baby up and see what happens. We've connected the USB-C cable to our laptop, which is actually one of the scenarios how you can use the Bose VB1, using the bring your own device and HDMI pass-through to your display. But if you want to combine it with a Microsoft Teams room or a Zoom room or with a Bar Quickly Share conference, there's a partnership. You can do so and make up an all-in-one solution. Now, what I wanted to show you is actually the Bose application. This is available for your desktop. It's also available for your smartphone. And this actually mimics the controls of your remote control. So if you don't want to touch it, you don't have to. And just to show you an overview of the controls real quick, you can move your lens around. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. For example, the Bose has a 5x digital zoom, which is really powerful. Also a very handy feature is the on and off of the auto framing. So you might not like auto framing during your meeting and you can simply turn this off in the beginning. So one of the things that I want to highlight is how the audio gets captured. So as you can see, you have these 4 colorful fields that you can see, and this is actually representing the audio pickup. So where I move around in the room, you will see that it will always follow me and give a priority to my voice because I am alone in this room. But also this allows a very good representation in the meeting room and when you're doing this with multiple people. Now, the feature that I really find super handy is actually the microphone exclusion. So you have the gray areas that you can see here on the side, which I'm moving around right now, which determine the exclusion zones. So for example, if you're in a meeting room where there's an air conditioning making noise, or you're in an open space where you want to block out colleagues making noise, you can actually do so very easily. And the great thing about this is that you can configure this as a profile and then have it deployed in your organization. That's one of the benefits of the Bose VB1. It has an enterprise deployment possibility.